Yeah, so you can see there is a light in my house. Everywhere light is on. And this is my generator from inside of my house. Yeah, you cannot even hear it because I put it far away from my house. Now this is my electrical panel, and as you see, the main switch is switch off, this switch is switch on, and all my circles, breakers are switch on right now, okay? So I don't consume a lot of power right now. But as you can see, around 1 kilowatt, okay? Because I see is off, the dishwasher and all the disposal, the furnace, it's all everything switch off. But this left two, you know, they are not working because there is no power from the grid. There is only power from generator, you see, around 1 kilowatt. So I try to test it just to see if all good. And you see inside the house, you cannot even hear it. It's so quiet because everything is locked, and I put it far away from my house, like 50 feet, something like this. So this is a test I'm doing right now. I didn't use this generator too much, maybe, you know, like 1 hour. Yeah, and I'm running on gas. So far so good. If I see interest, okay, I maybe will be doing another video. It is just for you guys, you know, just part 3 to understand that generator is working. As you remember, this left 2, watch my video, it was for a grid, and this right 2 was for generator, okay? So we have 121 volt, we have 62 hertz, a little bit high, I say, like not 60, like 62 hertz. Not sure why. Is it supposed? This is also 62 hertz. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, 557. I like around maybe 1 kilowatt on both faces. Yeah, and I'm pretty heavy with my setup. You know, I did it. I tested it. It's ready. If I need it, I will use it. Right? But it's all, you know, automatically. You know, just 2-3 steps I need to do, and it's voila. I don't need any cables, anything. Everything centralized. Everything visualization, which what we like. Everything working as desired. Now when I open door, it's a little bit noisy, but it's good. So far so good, right? The power is here, okay, it's blinking. I like it, this feature. I didn't know it's blinking when it has power. Very cool, right? Very cool. So going back, going to switch it off, and probably I will need to start from my panel, right? This is the proper way to switch it off. When you're getting close, it's more noisy, of course. This is was the reason why I put it far away. You see? So I did exhaust. This is my exhaust. Going through fence. This is where my cable connected, and this is all my stuff. Propane, vent, light. So far so good. So far so good. Again, if I see interest, I will make another video on more details, but so far it was not a lot of interest, okay? So just update for you with my generator project, how it's going on. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.